Did you know that 99% of people trying to make money online never see a single dollar? There's a lot of gurus out there that promise you can make 10K a month with dropshipping, Amazon FBA, crypto trading, and so many other methods if you just follow their system or buy their course, and then the money will just start flowing automatically. That's not the way it works. And it's totally BS if you just look at the numbers. And just to address the elephant in the room as well, yes, I do have a program that I sell, but it's a lot different than any course due to the fact that you get access to my content team and so many other things. It's not just a course. And really, there's nothing inherently wrong with selling courses. It's just most of the advice in most courses just doesn't work. Because for a make money online method to really work, in my opinion, it needs to meet a few criteria. It has to have low startup costs so you're not risking your life savings. It needs to build compound value over time instead of just trading your hours for dollars. And it needs to have multiple ways of monetizing so you're not just trapped into one single income stream. That's a huge risk. And most importantly, it has to actually help people solve real problems, and you have to actually be providing some type of value to the world. Now, before I start exposing the truth, you need to understand something. You need to understand what these successful entrepreneurs who push all these different business models actually do for their income. I've been in this space for 10 years now, and I personally run a bunch of different YouTube channels in various niches, and I have a community of over 11,000 creators. And I can tell you that every single one of these gurus teaching dropshipping, Amazon FBA, crypto trading, or any other easy money method is making their real money from YouTube and course sales, not from the method that they're teaching. And the popular people out there selling SMMA courses and teaching people to make money online, they don't say that their number one income source is YouTube and selling programs directly from YouTube. Now, instead of hating on these people, we need to learn from them and we need to see what are they actually doing, because if we want to make money ourselves, I think it's really valuable to look into that instead of just sitting around and complaining. Because maybe some of those gurus are lying about their business model, maybe they're not. They're just not telling you which business model is actually making them incredibly wealthy. And here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of just believing the hype, let me show you the actual math behind some of these popular business models. Let's start with dropshipping. The average profit margin on dropshipping is anywhere from 10 to 30%. So if you make $100,000 a year in revenue, you might keep 10 or 30,000 of it. But that's before you even factor in Facebook ad costs, Shopify and payment processor fees, returns, chargebacks, customer service costs, and your time that you're spending testing products, doing something that maybe might make you some money, but then you're competing with 1,000 other people and it's just a race to the bottom because whoever has the cheapest price wins in that game. That's not the game that I would want to be playing. And it's not the game that these gurus who are pushing these business models are playing. What about Amazon FBA? Well, you got to spend $10,000 to $20,000 in inventory costs and in advertising. And then if Amazon charges their algorithm, you're screwed. Plus, again, it's a race to the bottom. Whoever has the cheapest price wins, which by definition means whoever makes the least amount of profit gets the most sales. That's not the game that you want to play. What about SMMA, where you run someone else's social media for them or run a company's social media? With that, you're going to spend all of your time prospecting and trying to find clients who will pay you $1,000 a month. And a lot of people take 3 to 6 months before they ever even find their first client. So you might be saying, Matt, if all of these are so challenging and these aren't the best business models, why do people keep promoting them then? And the answer is simple. Because people buy courses about those subjects because they've been promoted so much already online as some of the best ways of making money online that now there is a market for courses on those subjects, and their real business model is selling the courses on those subjects. So now that you understand what these successful people are actually doing, the next step is understanding why YouTube is such a better business model. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that YouTube is easy. It is far from that. But you do have significantly less startup costs because you can start literally with just a phone and a free editing software instead of spending $10,000 in inventory. Plus, your videos can keep getting views for years while you sleep. I still make money from videos that I uploaded back when I was just 14 years old. Then you've got multiple revenue streams. You can do things like selling courses, getting sponsorship deals, promoting affiliate products, and the list goes on and on. I don't want to bore you with it, but I do want to make one thing crystal clear. There is no push button, get rich quick scheme that exists. Those are fake. And despite every single guru on earth trying to sell you one, most of them require a lot more work than you think. So I want to be 100% upfront and 100% transparent. YouTube still requires a lot of work. Even though you can use AI to do certain things, you still have to QC everything and make sure that your videos are actually giving people value so they'll actually get views in the algorithm. But if you're willing to put in the time and if you're willing to learn about YouTube, you can make it into a real business. I get asked all the time from people if YouTube is a safe long-term business. And back when I was 14, uploading videos to YouTube, my teachers told me YouTube's not going to be around in 10 years. You're going to have to look for a real job and everything else. And That was over 10 years ago. That was back in 2014. So here I am a decade later making more money than I ever have from YouTube. I'm not saying this to brag, but I'm saying this to show you that I think YouTube is on a huge upward trajectory. It's only going to become bigger exponentially. And if you want to make money online, I personally think it's the best place for doing that. Now, obviously, like I said, it still takes a lot of work, and there's no guarantee you'll make anything from any business model on earth, but I do think certain things about YouTube make it better than others. And I personally have tried a lot of the popular business models out there when I was trying to find a way of not going to college and not having to work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life. I tried selling stock photos online. I tried drop shipping. I tried some crazy business models, and none of them really worked that well compared to YouTube. And obviously, I do have an incentive to make YouTube sound great due to the fact that it makes it easier for me to promote my business. But the difference between myself and a lot of other gurus out there is I'll be 100% upfront and honest about that, so then you can make the best decision for yourself personally. But let's just take a look at the math of this. Let's say that you upload a YouTube video that gets 100,000 views. That video could potentially generate $500 to $1,500 from ad revenue alone. YouTube has built-in monetization. That's pretty cool, but that's just the beginning. I just consider ad revenue an extra. That same video could generate $5,000 to $15,000 from affiliate commissions, or even another $10,000 from course sales. Now, I want to be clear that these are results that I have seen with my own eyes, but they are not guaranteed. And this is a disclaimer I always get anytime I talk about my own results or anything else, because I'm not looking to sell dreams. I want to tell you the truth about this so that the right people will eventually work with my companies, and people that we can actually help implement a great content team into their businesses and get them an incredible niche and get them pointed on the right trajectory. And I'm not saying for you to go out there and become a guru either if that's not something that you want to do. But I will say that if you do have a skill that other people want to learn about, make a course on it. There's nothing wrong with selling courses if they actually help people. And if you have knowledge that other people want to learn, please don't just hoard that knowledge to yourself. Share some of it on YouTube and make a paid course that can help fund you making more YouTube videos, which allows you to help people on an even bigger scale. Plus, eventually you might even hire a team under you, giving multiple people jobs like I do. Right now we have 25 people on my team just for my education company alone. But even if you're not an expert, you can still monetize on YouTube outside of selling courses. You can promote someone else's course as an affiliate or a software company as an affiliate. And also with a lot of those other make money online methods, you're not building anything real. You're not building a real brand. When you have a drop shipping store, you could have 1,000 different competitors doing the exact same thing. With YouTube, you can set up a faceless YouTube channel where you have an avatar as the face of the channel, like the channel Yellow Dude, for example, where they're building a real brand. And on top of that, that channel Yellow Dude that does fitness advice, specifically calisthenics advice, they are partnered with the company Grav Gear. So I can only imagine how much money that channel has made that company. So whether you're a company, whether you're an individual, whoever you are, you can probably benefit from having a YouTube channel. Now, all of those business models that I just talked down on, they can still work. There are people who make a lot of money in every single business model out there, but I do think that some are better than others. And even though I know I'm biased, I'm trying my best to give an unbiased account as to which business models are the absolute best. And I truly think that YouTube is. I wouldn't be doing this if I really didn't believe in YouTube and think that YouTube is the best place to spread a message, to help people, to build a huge business. I think YouTube is only going to get bigger as well, but the key is starting with realistic expectations. And if that's you and you understand that this is going to take work, then I have a completely free course here directly on my channel that you can check out next to me right here. And in this free course, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm starting channels right now the right way. I'll give you all the nitty-gritty details of everything you need to do YouTube the right way in this video right here. My name is Matt Parr. Hope I opened your eyes to the make money online niche a little bit more, and I'll see you here. See you there.